Has your account been frozen on the Opay app and you want to unfreeze it but you don't know how? I'm Kate, and in this video I will show you how. Now let's get started. First of all, you open up the Opay app, then you tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner over here. Tap on Security Center and then tap on Account Unfreeze. Now if your account has been frozen, it will be due to insufficient account information or fraudulent transaction or raw transaction. There are other reasons why it could be frozen. So under these options over here, you will see different options: cut all the suspicious activity reported, maybe were reported, or your abnormal payments. Whatever reason it is, if it's under any of this, it will be written there and you'll be notified. Now, if this has already been done, you can initiate an appeal through the Security Center to lift the restriction. My account wasn't frozen, that is why I cannot go further. But for you, if your account is frozen, just follow the prompt after this particular message on this page, and your account will be unfrozen. Good luck.